Notice writing. So, what we mean by notice? Notices are short compositions written to convey information or to make formal announcements, such as a change of name. They are simple and lucid in style. Notices are either posted on designated notice boards or published in newspapers. Here are some useful tips that you should remember while writing a notice. Number 1. Notice carries 5 marks. Number 2. It usually begins with "This is to inform" or "It is hereby informed that." Number 3. The content must include complete information covering the 7 W's: who, what, where, why, when, in what way, and for whom. Number 4. The signing off should include a signature, name, and designation of the person in charge. Number 5. The word limit should not exceed 50 words. Number 6. The word notice along with the proper title and the issuing organization should be mentioned. Number 7. Date of issuing the notice should be mentioned. Number 8. The purpose of the notice should be clearly stated. And the last but not the least, the most important, that it must be written in a box. Here it is the format or the structure of notice writing. So at first you have to write the name of the institution or the organization, then the word notice in capital letters. Then in left hand side you have to mention the date on which the notice is issued. Then you have to write the topic or the heading on which the notice is about in the middle of the box. And at last the body part comes in which you have to write the date, time and venue, which is the most important part of a notice writing. And then at the left hand side the signature of the person who is writing the notice with designation, and the entire thing is written inside a box. Now I will go through some of the examples so that you can understand the notice writing more better. So let's start. The question is that your school is planning to organize a water conservation awareness program for the students. As school captain of SLV Public School, Lucknow, draft a notice in about 50 words informing the students about the program, mentioning the day, date, time and venue. You are Sanjay or Sanjana. So now at first you have to write the name of the institute or the organization which is given in the question itself, which is SLV Public School, Lucknow. And under that you have to write the notice word in capital letters. Then see, in left hand side you have to write the date. Then you have to write the topic on which you are writing the notice. Here it is written career counseling workshop, but it is wrong, as in the question you have to organize a water conservation awareness program for the students. So here in the answer you have to write, in place of career counseling workshop, you have to write water conservation awareness program. Now see, in the body it is mentioned all the 3 important things, which are date, time and venue. Date is 20 March and before that it is given the venue school ground, and after the date it is mentioned the time, which is from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. And after all this you have to write your signature and the designation in the left hand side, and after all this you have to put the entire thing in a box, which is the most important thing in a notice writing. Next question is that you are Dhruv or Nidhi, the student editor of your school magazine, The Birds. Write a notice in not more than 50 words to be placed on your school notice board, inviting short stories, articles, poems, etc. from the students of all classes for the school magazine. Give all the necessary details. So here you have to at first write the organization name, which is Anand Public School, Delhi, Under that, again, the word notice in capital letters. Left hand side, the date. After that, you have to write the topic on which you are writing the notice. See, in the question it is written that give all the necessary details, but in the answer you have to write that, see the last line of the notice, that for further details kindly contact the undersigned, because if you write all the details then it will cross the word limit, which is 50 words. And at the last, in the left hand side, you have to sign and write the designation. Here it is Dhruv or Nidhi, the student editor. If you are a boy, write Dhruv, and if you are a girl, write Nidhi. But the designation will be same, student editor. And the entire thing should have to be written inside a box, which is again the most important thing in notice writing. So before going to another examples, quickly see the commonly made error made by the students. Number one is that some students forget to mention the word notice on the top, and also many students give unnecessary details, making the notice too long. That is, they cross the word limit, which is 50 words. Here are some more examples on notice writing. If you want, you can have a look onto this or practice this for better understanding. Thank you, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.